Hello folks, it's JT and I'm here with Dana. We are about to walk you through the process of installing the Hayward ColorLogic 320 lights. It is actually a much simpler process than you may think. Now we're getting into the more exciting stuff like getting your 320 lights installed and ran. That's why I have this little piece of foam, and the foam, I got it out of the 320 box. It actually holds the 320 light in the box. When you open it up, you'll see it. So I cut that out and then I wrapped the string around it, tied it very tight, and I'm going to put it into the electrical conduit and snake this string all the way over to Dana. Dana's inside the pool waiting on this. It's gonna pop out of the inlet outlet, and as soon as that does, we will be able to tie this string back around the 320 light cord and then pull it all the way back over here so that we can get it installed into the electrical sub panel. Nathan, if you don't care to hold this for me. So I'm gonna stick this down in here, take the hose, stick it over this here, make sure you leave enough room so the string can flow. Voila, Dana has the other end of the string. We'll get that attached to the cord of the 320 light. As soon as we do that, we're gonna fish it right back through here, get that cord ready to install.
Nathan, you can go ahead and pull that on through.
Hey Dana, before you install that, give that to me real quick. I wanna point out a couple of things. So we have the white piece on here, and you can put the dark gray or the light gray. But I want to point out these little notches in the lens, okay? And then also you've got little notches on the space plate piece. I'll just slip that back on there. The tool that we were talking about earlier has this little nut here, and then it's got this handle. Well, the handle goes in here and it connects to that lens. The handle keeps the lens and the light from rotating. The reason that's important is because when you take this nut and slide that back down on here when we're installing it, you've got to hold this handle in place while you're spinning this nut. So as you spin that, this rubber gasket right here is going to expand, and that's what's going to lock your 320 light in place so that it doesn't go anywhere. So, Dana, if you are ready, we'll get this cord pulled all the way through. When you're installing the 320 lights, you want to make sure that you give yourself a nice little gap so you have a little bit of resistance on the light. You don't want to push it too far in. So leave yourself a little bit of room so you have some resistance. And Dana, if you want to go ahead and finish that one up there. All right, now I've got all this pulled through, I've got it tight, I've got the light installed in the pool. So I wanna make sure that I give myself enough cord here. I'm gonna cut it, but I don't wanna cut it too short. I wanna give myself enough slack out here to be able to work with it. Leave myself almost a foot of cord to work with, so I'll cut it right about here. All right, I'm about to make the connection. I'm gonna take this yellow, connect it to this black, this yellow to this black with these wire nuts here. And my other one here. All right, got that good and tight. Now we're gonna test it out. So I will flip this breaker, flip the light switch. Yes, we have lights. Folks, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have any questions at all, just give us a shout. Let us know at poolwarehouse.com. We're going swimming at night.